Hi guys, welcome back. I know it's been a while since my last video. I'm so sorry. A lot of things have been changing in my life, but I hope that you guys are enjoying the videos that I've made in the past and the videos that I will now start making again. Today I'm just going to be doing a messy bun hair tutorial. I'm going to be doing it on freshly washed, clean hair, and then it's a pretty simple hairstyle, but I like to add my own little, you know, it's messy, but it's not up and go. Like, if you know what I'm talking about, you know what I'm talking about. It's just not a 1-2 out the door type of thing. So all you're gonna want to do at the very beginning is do 2 either French braids or cornrows. I call them cornrows. You're gonna want to just do 2 on the side. All you're gonna need to do is just oil your hair. You can put a little gel if you want. I'm not gonna do it because I want it to be a little messier, a little bit more frizzy. Please remember to like, comment, and subscribe, tell a friend to tell a friend, and welcome back. Okay, so these are my cornrows. Remember, they don't gotta be perfect because we're doing a messy hairstyle. So all I'm gonna do, I put some of the oil in, and now all I'm gonna do is take the 2 . Okay, so now that I put my hair up in a bun in the back, I'm just gonna let it dry. You could either air dry it or you could speed it up with a blow dryer. I'm just gonna use a blow dryer because I plan on being somewhere later, so I'm just gonna use the diffuser part of it and just do it for a little while. So I just finished blow drying my hair. It's a little damp still, but it's fine for right now, because I'm about to go get ready. Now all you're gonna want to do is grab the pick from earlier that I said you're gonna need, and literally pick the hell out of it. Like, turn it to the side. Make sure you get the roots. Don't go to the ends though, because you're gonna, it's like basically like teasing. You want to give it some body, a lot of body. Go flip to the other side. Good. Get as much as you can. Okay. So I don't know if you guys can tell, but this is a lot more hair. I don't know if you want to rewind it or whatever. This is a lot fuller, a lot more volume than what I previously had before. This is me just picking it out for the first time. I haven't touched it since I blow dried it a little bit more. This is what my hair looks like picked out. And my hair has grown since the last video I did, so it's a lot more length, a lot more body. And it's actually more healthy, so it's curlier. I like more natural curls than I did before. So, like, I kind of picked a lot of the actual curls from the cornrows that I did. So it's basically just at the bottom and a lot in the back. I have a lot of my curls still in the back. A little bit more pick, a little bit more pick, pick, pick. Okay, I'm doing a messy bun. The next thing that you're gonna want to do, I'm basically gathering it right now. And I'm not doing it for real, but I'm just gonna put everything up right now. I'm not giving myself like a middle part or a side part or anything. Literally just gonna go up. There, because now I'm gonna want, where's my thing? I'm gonna do my edges before I finish my hair. My edge just seriously, because that could honestly make this look a little more put together, not like you just ran out of your house. So try to get your edges as nice as you can, but don't forget that you're gonna fix it up. So that's one side basically done. And the thing I've been doing too, I've been doing like a little middle part one. Like, I think my hair is breaking off for that, the front part like is receding, but, or I just been manipulating it so much that it's now naturally shorter, because before it could fit like in my bun. That's the middle part. Okay, and now this part. I don't know what's wrong with my hair, but I could do way more baby hairs on this side than I could do this side. I would do like 2 versus like 3 on this one. Okay, hold it. Make sure everything is fixed properly. This one. Okay, I am gonna use like a cute little lavender scrunchie to give it a little extra, just like the edges. And then it's like I want a little pop of color to match my outfit for later. So all you do is lightly, very lightly, don't, but lightly put everything up. Once again, it does not have to be perfect. It's a messy bun. Then twist it gently. There's some hair sticking out the side. You can either pluck it in or kind of leave it out. So I'm gonna kind of turn it, twist it. Edges is good. You could pluck it out a little. And all I'm gonna do now, this needs to be a little bit tighter because it's messy now, but it might not hold properly. So I'm just gonna do it 2 times, making sure that you can still see the scrunchie. And I'm gonna fix up my edges on both sides. Kind of gets messed up when you put it in, so you just want to make sure that you're making sure that it's fine. I have some hair in the back, like this. Call it the kitchen, call it, it can't fit in my bun, it's too small. I'm just gonna grab some water, take the ends, grab some on this side too, not as much, and then twist it. It up, twist it, And I'm gonna put a little bit of that edge control on it. Just because I don't want it to frizz up, and then it's just gonna be like a big poof in the back, you know? Do it again. A little edge control. Don't be scared. Put it. Now, this is pretty cute and basically how I want it. You can see that, you can see the little side. Baby! Come here! Bring my shirt.
Here, baby.
Alright guys, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope that you really enjoyed my short tutorial on how to do a cute messy bun, guys. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Tell a friend to tell a friend. Bye guys.